Did I mention that when it rains in Cambodia, it rains a lot and it rains heavily? Just look for yourself. That's not a river, folks. This is the road.
Not a river. This is the road, man. This is the road. And a van down by the river. In a van down by the river.
Loving Chris Farley.
Yummy. Are we having fun? In a van down by the river.
Hey, the waves into the market. Look at the waves. Waves into the market. Hey, she's waving it out. Yeah, I don't think Cambodia is going to have a drought anytime soon. I could be wrong. But I don't think they're having a drought anytime soon. The problem is they got too much water.
Just a little water here, man.
Got him to wave. Got him good. Ladies and gentlemen, I am the greatest, and you can see it is very waterlogged here in Siem Reap. That would be S-I-E-M-R-E-A-P, like the Grim Reaper. Oh God, there's water coming in here too. Shit. Now my bag's getting wet. That's no good because my camera's there. And my clothes. The water came right through here. Look at this. This is some batshit crazy, yo. I'd show you more, but I don't want to damage my camera or hurt myself because I'm still pretty. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is the rainy season. And it lives up to its reputation here in Cambodia.
Yummy.
Look at the tires on the car.
Alrighty then.
Let's see how bad it is at this red light. Oh, turning green light. I am still pretty. All I got to say is, thank God I invested in a roof on this trip. Here's my roof. There's my bag, there's my hat, there's my water, my umbrella, and my tripod. Here's me, the greatest. Clean my lens. I don't know what this dude is. Maybe this dude's like traffic enforcement. Tough job. He's in shelter. Hey, she was giving me the eye. She was hitting on me. As I'm pretty. Tomorrow the boat is off to Singapore. Look at the water. Holy shnikes! As I was saying, tomorrow I'm off to Singapore. And I hope there won't be rain there. For sure. Holy flooding, Batman. spiffy hotels here. Oh shit, I'm getting wet again. I don't like the wet. Oh well. Back in the city, folks. Siem Reap, Cambodia, Cambodia. Let's check out the Siem Reap traffic. Brought to you by Mr. Sports Travel. Stop raining. How could that be? Traffic control. Can't believe it stopped raining. Sprinkles, that's it. Water is on that tire, that car. Not too bad here though.